Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I bring into you brand new eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior, number 429 Toile de Jouy. It's so hard to pronounce, but it's very neutral, soft colors. Of course, it's already on me. I love this natural look. After 45, you want to look like makeup, no makeup. And I think it's a great look. Guys, thank you so much for your love, for your support. I see you now. Some people come and stop by at Nordstrom saying hello to me. It's making me very happy. Also, I have a brand new couple brand new eyeliners from Christian Dior. I love this plum color. It's right here, bringing you close. It's such a beautiful color. And then I have this nice beautiful nude color, which one I like to use underneath my brow and in my waterline. And again, this one more time I'm gonna show you plummy. It's gorgeous. It is waterproof, clean formula. And if you like this look, please give me a like, and I will show you step by step how I create this look. Woohoo! Let's start. We're gonna start first with a good skincare routine. I'm gonna use today most expensive eye cream I know in the planet. Most expensive eye cream I ever try, and it's a brand La Prairie Platinum Eye Cream. I believe it's like $1,080, like or I will say it's 3 pension of my debt. It's right here. I do like how it smells, this product. It's have like a white but slightly a little bit, we'll say platinum, a little bit like grayish undertone. Not grayish, but it's just like a very luminous eye cream. And this is eye cream. It's for lines, for wrinkles, luminosity, and it's lift. Then I'm gonna use moisturizer from Chantecaille, and this is its Be Lift anti-aging moisturizer. It's light texture, it's oil free, again it's a lifting, and also it's mattifying moisturizer. I like it's not heavy, it's really light, and I don't have this like perfumey scent. You know, I like doubling my primers. First, I'm gonna use from Clinique Pore Refiner Solution, and it's Color Invisible Deep. I'm gonna apply right here on the center. Then where is my nose? Because I have a large pores, I wanna minimize them first, and then I will put Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. And also Charlotte Tilbury have a little bit like a neutral color. It will even my skin, but I feeling really good. You know, sometimes you feel like so sick, tired, and doesn't matter how much you put makeup, you never look good. But I just came from Costa Rica. I have a good time there, and went to see my dentist, my favorite dentist. It's of course Costa Rica dental team. Prices, it's good, and they take care of me the best, and I have a good time with girls. I teach them a little bit trick from I show them a little bit makeup trick. Basically I have a good time there. My skin looks beautiful. Today I'm gonna use North foundation. It's a sheer glow, and you know I love full coverage, but I just feel I wanna go with lighter coverage, and if I need somewhere more cover, I will cover with maybe like concealer. We'll see what I'm gonna use. Okay, I apply on my hand this foundation. It's a light to medium coverage, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender, and my colored Santa Fe. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. Time for concealer. I'm gonna use Nurse concealer, and this is color, it's vanilla soft matte. It is medium to full coverage concealer. I love this concealer. And then I'm gonna use today a new brush. It's an hourglass brush for concealer. It's like slightly one. It's like everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, YouTuber. Let's see if I like or not, because you know what, I know sometimes everybody, oh, so good, but the end of it's like garbage. Let's see. I do like it. Wow, I love this brush. Oh my god. Oh, yo. Yes, I do like this. Wow. Concealer, it's done, and I have another brush, like a fan brush. I feel this concealer a little bit too rich, and it's creasing. I'm gonna slightly blend underneath, and let me lock with my translucent powder from Lancome. I have a beauty blender puff. I apply my translucent powder, just little bit pushing this product inside, and now I'm gonna use my little bit finger, and right away I will put powder. Concealer is set, and now I'm gonna use my favorite sheer powder from Chanel number 10 Sheer Glow. It's a very beautiful powder. If you have a large pores, I like to use this first. It's not gonna give me a coverage, it just really minimize my pores, and it's go very sheer. And now I'm using bronze from Christian Dior 06. I love this bronze. I'm just applying close to my hairline, and kind of like a circle motion. Bronze, it's done, and it's a little bit, we'll say, dark in the room. I'm not sure if it's I blend good or not, but you know what, I have again my powder brush, and I'm just gonna go all over and smooth and even everything. For my blush, I'm gonna use Christian Dior. This is its 004 Coral. It's a beautiful soft orange color. I love this color. I actually prefer this more than pinky one, because to me pink one I have so much blue undertone, and it looks a little bit too fakey, too bubbly, and I like to actually sometimes mix them two together. Okay, using my Charlotte Tilbury brush. I love this brush for contour, for highlighter, for blush, for cream bronze. I just love this brush. Okay, right here. Now I have just a beauty sponge, clean beauty sponge, and I apply my Lancome transparent powder, and I'm just gonna little bit go like this, like around. What I wanna do, I want slightly little bit clean my blush, and we're gonna let this sit powder, transparent powder, for like 1 or 2 minutes. I look cute, right? And in meantime, I'm gonna use eyebrow pencil from Christian Dior, and I'm just gonna fill my little bit brows. Eyebrows, it's done. Yes, I'm almost ready to use this Toile de Jouy eyeshadow palette. It's so hard to pronounce. I will say it's better. Number 429, and I fill my eyebrows with pencil, and now I'm using NYX glue color dark brown. It's one of my favorite products, and it's only $9. You can see how beautiful my eyebrows looking now. And yes, I mentioned $9, but you never know. Today it's $9, next week it's $12. But I bought in Ulta, but I knew Nordstrom Rack have these products too. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit eye brightener of, you know what, let's use brand new Lancome waterproof eyeliner, and it's DIOR on Stage Crayon, and it's color 529. It's waterproof. I'm gonna apply little bit under my brow, and I will need right away a little brush to smooth this, because if you're gonna wait, it's gonna be very hard to blend. Ooh, okay, it's pretty. This is new eyeshadow palette, and I'm not sure how pigmented this eyeshadow, because when you do on the hands and on the eyes, plus you have eyeshadow primer, sometimes products is go completely different. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a loose powder from Lancome Transparent. I apply and on my big blending brush, and I'm just gonna set my eyeshadow primer from Lancome, from MAC. Eyeshadow it's set, and now we're gonna use eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna use first color, which one in the center. It's a matte color. It's like a brown blushy color. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna use a big blending brush. We're gonna use this again, eyeshadow, which one in the center. From this corner to this corner, we making like a circle right here. It will be our middle color. And if I'm looking in a palette, it looks matte, but actually it's not matte. It's have a little bit glow. Same color. I'm gonna use little bit underneath to make my eyes a little bit bigger. Now I want little bit definition. I'm gonna use Nord small tiny blending brush, and we're gonna use this darker color, and this darker color is definitely matte. And I'm gonna just apply very close to my lashes, and you can see like it's just like on half of my eyes. Applying very softly, and I pushing this product, this eyeshadow up. Basically, I lift in my eye. Now this darker eyeshadow, I'm gonna just little bit apply above my suckle area, but I don't wanna have a big difference, big like colors difference between one color and second. Just very softly. Now I have a smaller brush, flat brush, and we're gonna use this lighter color. I'm just gonna apply right here in the corner, and just like applying on my eyelid. Very soft, light color. So beautiful, so natural, soft. Now I'm gonna use my finger, and we're gonna use this beautiful color. It's like have like orangey pinky glow, and I'm gonna just apply between this lighter and darker color right here, kind of like almost in the center of my eye. Will give me nice beautiful highlighter glow and beautiful pop. Oh, it is beautiful. Now I'm gonna use a big clean blending brush, and all I'm gonna do, just like circular motion, everything just blend. And we're gonna use right now again this new beautiful eyeliner. It's waterproof, it's newest color for DIOR, and I'm gonna use on my waterline. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful plum colored new formula from Christian Dior. Beautiful, like it's a reddish purpley eyeliner. Again, it's a color plum and it's number 774. But before eyeliner, of course, I'm gonna curl my lashes with lash curler from Laura Mercier. And now I'm gonna just apply eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I just finished this look with Chanel Le Volley mascara, and I feel I need to put a little bit in the bottom too, but I do like this mascara a lot. On the top it's give me big volume, but on the bottom I actually gonna use Gucci mascara. I love this brush and it just very natural look on the bottom, and it will give me nice good separation. I think my makeup turned very pretty. Again, natural. It's all what I want after 45, to look soft, young, and like makeup no makeup. Let's finish this look with lip products. I just got this from Nordstrom. It says 3 mini lip liners from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but to me it's a pretty huge sizes. 3 lip liners only for $24, and I love these 3 colors here. One it's like a mauve, I will say neutral, another it's like neutral brownish, and another one, let me even try, ooh, like it's like beautiful, like a burgundy, like magenta, I will say magenta. $24 for 3 still. I'm gonna use lip liner. Let's use lip liner. Which one? I'm not sure. They're all so beautiful. Oh, I love this deep top. Okay, I'm gonna use lip liner, excuse me, deep top from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I'm gonna use a lipstick from Estee Lauder Executive. She gave me this lip color for free. She know I like neutral colors. It's so pretty, thank you. And it's number 816, set up, and it's a matte formula. Okay, let me apply on my lips, and let's see if I need lip gloss or not. But in the meantime, please give me a like, subscribe, comment below. I hope you enjoying to be with me. I am enjoying to make this video for you. Love you more than ice cream. Okay, I apply this lip liner on entire my lips, and it feels a little bit dark. I'm gonna just a little bit warm this lip liner on my lips, and then let's put this lipstick. But believe me, no, like when I apply this lip liner, it's went a little bit darker than I expect. Oh, I absolutely 100% will say yes to lipstick. Lip liner a little bit darker. I think if you have like a natural mauve, yeah, natural mauve from Lancome will be better, but it's okay. I soft lip liner and it still looks good. But should I put lip gloss? Yeah, let's put lip gloss. I'm gonna put lip gloss, very neutral color from Too Faced, and it's named Cocoa Kiss. I knew it's very buttery, feels very, it's a pillow balm formula. I'm finishing this look with this beautiful lip treatment from Too Faced, and give me like this tingling, minty little bit feeling. Again, it's a lip treatment, but it feels like it's plumping my lips. I love this feeling. Okay guys, love you more than ice cream. I hope to see you in Tampa, at Nordstrom Tampa store. If you ever there, stop, say hi, hello to me. Okay, love you more than ice cream, and I'll see you in my next video.